In Python, variables are created by assigning a value to a name using the equal sign operator. The basic syntax for creating a variable is: for example, to create a variable x and assign the value 5 to it, we can write, once a variable is created, we can use it in our code by referencing its name. For example, we can use the variable x to perform arithmetic operations. We can also change the value of a variable by assigning a new value to it. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means that the type of a variable is determined at runtime based on the value assigned to it. For example, we can assign a string value to a variable. We can also assign values of different types to the same variable. In Python, variables are case-sensitive, which means that x and x are considered to be two different variables. It is good programming practice to choose meaningful variable names that describe the data they hold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.